Hey skiers, Emily from Skiessentials.com. Welcome to the 2023 ski test. Right here in front of me I have the Blizzard Black Pearl 82. This is the narrowest version of the Black Pearl family. Very notable line of skis. A lot of fans of the Black Pearls. So this one is 82 underfoot as the name says. So pretty narrow, but still has a lot of all-mountain capabilities. Very forgiving, responsive ski with an intuitive feel. So just a really balanced, well-rounded ski that's approachable and maneuverable. Offers playful agility, like I was saying, and has maximum edge grip. So as far as construction goes, true blend wood core with carbon in the tips and tails and metal underfoot. So what that does really is distributes the flex appropriately in the ski, so you have maximum stability underfoot and then the playful feel in the tips and tails. It just ends up being very maneuverable, and it just is great for all mountain, all conditions and terrain. Bumps and trees, just able to really bop around and go with the motions. As far as the shape and profile, we have a camber underfoot and rocker in the tips. Not a ton of rocker, but enough to keep you afloat if you encounter any soft snow, which is nice in a narrower ski. And then looking at the tails, very minimal, but just a little bit of splay. So nice for turn initiation and just general maneuverability. And these skis also have a 12.5 turn radius. So very small, short turn radius. So it's great for quick, snappy turns. And that's what makes them really great for when you're in the trees or bumps, just really capable of quickly moving with you. So I would say that these skis are geared towards a wide range of skiers, really, who want a narrower ski, one that is just approachable, doesn't require a lot of effort, you don't become fatigued super easily. It's just a really fun, well-balanced ski with a really nice top sheet as well. So great all-around ski that offers forgiveness and responsiveness, and yeah, really fun. So for more information, go to Skiessentials.com and we will see you out there.